What if the jack on your acoustic guitar where you plug it in falls down into the body? How do you get it out? My arm's not going to fit down in that hole all the way to this end to reach that. But there is a trick to it. I'm about to show it to you. Stick around. Let's do this. Boom. Yeah, you just feed a regular guitar string into the hole. Fish it out through here, and you already got your jack out there. So now, hold on, let me put it back. Okay, now the important part. You double the string, the guitar string over, like so, and you feed it the way you want to pull it through. So, put it in there, make sure it's pretty tough. I usually fold this over just a hair and spread it out a hair just to make sure that it doesn't pull through. You got to be kind of gentle with it. So that's another thing. We got a string showing. You don't want it to hang up on that other string. So, all right. So then you put that back in there and get your nut and washer ready. Then we go over on this side. I'm gonna see if I can film this. Let me raise the camera up. I'm gonna have to cut this in all kinds of ways, but all right. Now you want to put the washer and the nut. Already slide it up there and get it ready, because we're pulling her through. There she pokes through right there. Now we got to get that, got to pull it up there enough to get this nut started. Of course, I got a cat playing with my thing here, which ain't helping. Okay, it's starting to screw on. Once it's caught, it's pretty good. Then we just hope we can get it good and seated without twisting it all up. And that is how you fish a line through. And it actually grabs some wood, and it's tied up against that wood finger tight. And I should be using my wrench, but I'm not. Okay, that's good and tight. As you can see, repair done. You just pull that through, and then you're done. And then it works, hopefully. Hopefully you didn't screw up anything when you pulled the string all the way through. But that's it for this video, just to show you all a quick way of doing a very fast repair, because a lot of times you'll buy an acoustic and the jack is gone and it's floating down in there in the body somewhere. This got loose and nobody ever tightened it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Comment below if you got an easier way. I think this is the best way, but you know, that's just me.